Hey guys, this is an unboxing of the Samsung Galaxy Watch 4 Classic. I'm also going to show you how the size of this watch compares to one of my Garmin watches and how it looks like on my wrist, and tell you my wrist dimensions so that you can get an idea of the size and how it fits. This isn't anymore the latest Samsung Galaxy Watch, since Galaxy Watch 5 was released in August 2020 and this is released in August 2021, so it's soon 1.5 years old. This is the plaque version, and SMR 880 means that it's the smaller 42mm version of the Watch 4 Classic. There is also a larger 46mm model. So in the box, I would say this kind of resembles how the Apple Watch is packaged in this linear style. The watch itself is in here. One thing to note, this is bought as an Amazon warehouse deal, so this watch has been unboxed by someone else before. So in addition to the watch, we have this sleeve which has a charging cable in it. So this is a bit of a similar charging cable puck which comes with the Apple Watch. You just stick it on here, it sticks on with a magnet and charges on here. In the box we also have a warranty card and a quick start guide. And that's everything what is in the box. So now let's have a closer look at the watch. It has this spinning bezel which has a slight clicking sound to it and a quite satisfying motion. It has these two buttons and the heart rate sensor is on the back. The watch is rated at 5 ATM, so you're fine going swimming with it, but you shouldn't go diving. And it's a stainless steel case. The heart rate sensor does slightly come out of the case. The straps are plastic, and one thing to note is that it doesn't bend more than that. They have this quick release mechanism on them, but I would say the quick release mechanism is a bit hard to use, since it's hard to get your finger into the strap with this. Comparing the case sizes, obviously the Fenix 7X is a lot larger than the Watch 4, but comparing to the Apple Watch Series 7, this is the 41mm case. I would say it's quite close in size. The Apple Watch is a bit narrower, and in thickness Apple Watch is thinner, but if you compare to the Fenix 7X, the Fenix 7X is quite a bit more chunky. And this is how it looks like on my 173mm circumference wrist. So yeah, compared to the Fenix 7X, which I'm quite used to, I think this does look a bit small, so I would go personally for my wrist with the larger unit. The quick start guide instructs you on the buttons. So the higher button is the home key or power key, and the lower button is the back key. And to get started, just hold down on the power key for a few seconds so that the Samsung logo appears and the device powers on. You will also note that if the device doesn't directly power on, it might mean you have an empty battery, so just plug it on the charger for a few minutes and then you will be able to power it on. Usually the devices come charged to a storage level and they should not be empty when you get them. This one I received from Amazon as a warehouse deal, and sometimes it seems that the warehouse deal devices are stored with an empty battery. To get started, download on your Android phone the Galaxy wearable app, and when you get the device on, the instructions are quite easy. You can use the touch screen and the buttons or the bezel to scroll through and choose your language, and it will guide you through the setup process. And also on the Galaxy Wearable app. To initiate the pairing process, you need to select your device in the Galaxy Wearable app. If this video was helpful for you, please give it a thumbs up, and if you're interested in my review on the Galaxy Watch, go check out this video next. I'll post my video here once it's done. And if you're interested in my other smartwatch videos, go check out this video next. Thanks for watching.